Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best devil horns is probably one of the most eye-catching and fun accessories you can add to your vehicle, transforming a mundane commute into a statement of personality and a conversation starter on the road. These unique car decorations are designed to bring a playful yet bold aesthetic to your car's exterior, ensuring that your ride stands out from the crowd with a touch of devilish charm and a dash of humor. Whether you're looking to express your quirky side or simply want to add a unique flair to your automobile, these horns offer a distinctive way to personalize your car and make every journey a little more entertaining. Number 5. YGMONER 3D Devil Horn Sticker, Classic Red. Tired of searching for your car? Our devil horns make it easy to spot yours in any crowded parking lot with their bright, eye-catching design. Crafted from high-quality PU foamed material, these horns offer excellent cushioning and are built to last. They maintain their shape even with compression. These aren't just for cars. Add a unique touch to your motorcycle windshield, helmet, or anything else you can imagine. Let your creativity shine. Applying and removing them is a breeze. They attach securely without leaving any residue or damaging your car's glass. We've upgraded the mounting tape as of June 2024 for even stronger adhesion. They are designed to stay put longer, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This product offers a unique way to spot your car easily in crowded parking lots. Its durable PU foam construction ensures it can withstand minor impacts. If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-apply accessory that adds personality and practicality, especially for Halloween or just everyday visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. The horns are surprisingly loud and have a good range. Easy to install and they look great on the car. The design is unique and they definitely turn heads. Number 4. HornBlasters Flatlaw 3-liter Train Horn Kit. Introducing the HornBlasters Flatlaw 3-liter Train Horn Kit. Experience the powerful sound you crave in a compact design that fits almost anywhere. This kit features a 110 psi air source, delivering impressive performance. It's perfectly tuned to make the horns sound their absolute best. Its innovative design allows the horns to lay flat, offering greater flexibility for installation. This is ideal when you have limited space but still want that signature big sound. The included M3 3-liter air source provides a generous air supply. It's compact enough to fit in tight spots, yet powerful enough for multiple honks. Everything you need is in the box for a quick start. This complete kit includes the air source, pre-installed valve, and all necessary parts for a smooth installation. Get ready to make some noise in just a couple of hours. The straightforward instructions make installation easy for everyone, from professionals to DIYers. What we like. Experience an incredibly loud and attention-grabbing sound with this train horn kit. Its compact, flat design allows for flexible installation even in tight spaces. If you desire the impactful sound of a train horn and want a comprehensive kit that's straightforward to install, this is perfect for making a statement. What people say. The horns are a great addition to the car, adding a touch of personality and fun. They are surprisingly durable and have held up well to various weather conditions. Installation was straightforward, and they fit securely without any issues. Number 3. TOMALL Devil Bull Horn Car Stickers. Crafted from high-quality, flexible PU foam, these accessories offer excellent shock absorption and cushioning. They are designed to withstand impact and maintain their shape. Avoid annoying paint scratches from low-speed bumps. These horns act as a buffer, preventing collisions and protecting your vehicle's finish. Stand out with their bright colors and unique devil horn design. They provide a strong visual impact, making it quick and easy to find your car in any parking lot. Installation is a breeze. Simply clean the surface, peel off the backing, and stick them firmly. Allow a few hours for a secure bond. You'll receive 2 devil horn collision protectors in each package. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. What we like. This option provides an effective buffer against minor bumps and scratches, protecting your car's paint. It also helps you quickly locate your vehicle in parking areas with its distinctive design. If you're concerned about low-speed dings and want a dual-purpose exterior accessory that's both protective and visually distinctive, consider this. What people say. The horns are surprisingly lightweight, making them easy to attach without adding significant weight to the car. The design is quite unique and definitely a conversation starter, adding a fun and quirky element to the vehicle's appearance. Installation was straightforward, and they stayed securely in place even during highway driving. Number 2. Cute Devil Horns Car Steering Wheel Covers, Red. Introducing our adorable Devil Horns steering wheel cover, designed to bring a playful vibe to your car's interior. It's the perfect accessory for those who love to express their personality on the road. Crafted from eco-friendly, plush short velvet, this cover offers a comfortable grip. Its anti-slip design enhances your control, ensuring a safer driving experience. Enjoy a cozy and breathable feel no matter the season. The odorless material provides a pleasant driving environment, making every journey more enjoyable. Designed to fit most standard steering wheels between 14.5 and 15 inches in diameter. Installation is a breeze, taking just seconds to complete. Not only does it protect your steering wheel from wear and tear, but this vibrant red cover also adds a unique and fun decorative element to your car's interior. What we like. Add a touch of fun and comfort to your driving experience with this plush steering wheel cover. It offers a better grip for increased safety and is designed to fit most standard steering wheels. If you prioritize comfort, a secure hold, and a stylish, unique interior upgrade, this is an excellent option. What people say. The horns are surprisingly loud and have a good range. Easy to install and they look great on the car. The design is unique and they are made of durable material. Number 1. SuperKaKa Cute Devil Horn Sticker Bumper Decor, Red. Transform your vehicle into a festive Halloween statement with these devil horns. They're perfect for cars, motorcycles, helmets, and more, adding a touch of spooky fun wherever you go. Worried about minor bumps and scratches? This accessory acts as a shock absorber, effectively preventing damage to your car's paint during parking or in crowded areas. Make your car stand out in any parking lot. These distinctive horns ensure your vehicle is easily spotted, saving you time and hassle. Our newly upgraded design features a strong base sticker, and we've included extra high-quality tape. This ensures a secure fit that won't easily detach, even at higher speeds. Achieve a superior stick by gently heating the base with a lighter or warm air before application. Ensure the surface is clean and dry for the most reliable hold. These devil horns are the ultimate Halloween decoration for your car. They combine playful aesthetics with practical protection, making them a must-have for the season. What we like. This sticker acts as a fantastic bumper protector, absorbing shocks from minor impacts and preventing paint damage. It also makes your car highly visible for easy parking lot identification. If you want a robust exterior accessory that offers both protection and a unique way to find your car, especially during festive seasons like Halloween, this is a solid pick. What people say. They are surprisingly sturdy and hold their shape well. The adhesive is strong and has kept them firmly in place even through car washes. They look great and add a fun, unique touch to the car's exterior. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.